Make the ground shake.
Alright guys, we're gonna be painting it today. Where is that color? Oh, there it is. I see it. White, red, white, red. Alright, so now we're gonna tape it up. I think first we're gonna do the outside, and then we're gonna do the inside. Oh no, first we're gonna do the white part. So we're gonna tape all of this up first. Alright, so let's go get some masking tape. Alright, so I just got the tape. We're gonna tape all of this out and then cut the middle part. Alright, so I'll cut you guys once I cut it. Alright, so I just went inside to quickly go grab a blade. Now we're gonna cut it. Cut it. Why is it blurry? There you go. Alright guys, so if I did it right, this thing should just come out. Oh my god, that's sick. Alright, so we're gonna do that white. Alright, so that's better. Alright, so now we gotta wait until it dries. And then we gotta do red. I don't know. Yeah, there is. There's some more. Alright, and then we're gonna do it with clear coat next. Which is... Hey, where's clear coat? Oh, it's in there. It's this one. Let me see. Alright guys, I'm gonna wait until it dries. And then I'll come I'll vlog again like in 30 minutes or an hour. So it's gonna be like a second for you. Alright, so we're gonna go check on it. Why is it blurry, dude? Oh shoot. Let me clean it off, hold on. Let's go check on it. Is it dry? Yes, it is. It's greasy because of the clear coat. Let me just quickly take it off. Alright, it looks dry. It is dry. It's just that when I was peeling it out, some of the paint came off right here. Look at that. hell was that? Oh my god, that thing scared me. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more. And then I am going to put tape here. And then paint it red. Or should I? Nah, yeah, I'm gonna paint it red. Dude, I have gold paint. I kid you not, I have gold paint. Look. I was gonna do it gold, but then once I sprayed this ball right here, it didn't look like gold. So you have to get the really expensive one in order to look like gold. But yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry and I'll catch you guys once I'm over it. Let me go get the play button. Alright, it looks like it dried. Yep, it dried. So now, go do the second coat. Hold on, let me put you guys down for a bit. Okay. Come on. Focus, goddammit. Okay. So now, second coat. We'll let that one dry. Meanwhile, we have to find washers. You know what? I'm just gonna appear it right here. 3, 2, 1. There you go. That's better than going to look for them. Better spawn. Oh shoot! I need a weld. I need to weld a nut to the back. Alright guys, so that's the frame. The back comes off. Oh shoot. The back comes off. You can see I scraped that part out if I could get the frame out. Hey, this is actually $1 at the 99. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do 3 more coats on this. This is like my 5th one already. Okay, wow, it looks beautiful. Let that coat dry, and then we're gonna do the other coat. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but the tape is literally right there. And I hope like no red paint leaked, because if it did, that's very bad. Oh shoot. Alright, so now I'm gonna quickly, oh, should I use this? Nah. I'm gonna quickly cut squares out of this. Alright guys, so that's a side visual what I did. I welded the nut to another piece that's welded to the play button. Not pretty cool. And then Adrian, if you're watching this, and I'm gonna make you one. where it, oh, it's right here. Like a tiny one. Or if you want a bigger one, I can make it out of this. You know? Alright, so I'm just gonna catch you guys when I'm putting it right on the frame. Alright guys, so we passed a little bit of time, and there it is. As you can see, like a little parts right here, and like right there, it's chipped. So I'm doing coats of it, and then right here I already did the holes. I have my stuff right there. That's what I'm gonna be doing. And then that's the frame. I don't need these. Or do I? No, I don't. Alright, so I think I'll catch you once I get screwing it in. So alright guys, moment of truth. Did this piece of tape protect the white part? Let's find out. Dude, I think it didn't, cause all I see is black. Shoot, I'm messing it up. Alright, let me put the camera down. There it is. Sick, huh? This is the thing. I painted it black for I could give it this like texture, like if it's ruined. Oh my god. I did the holes so perfectly. Cause it's every day, bro. Yo! Tell me, what do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? I'm not holding it. What do you guys think? It's just that it's too down. I'm gonna flip it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, that thing looks beast. I'm gonna quickly do a thumbnail right now because I got verified on YouTube. I'm gonna quickly do the thumbnail, and then I'll come back right now when I have this clear coated, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to put it in the frame.